The quality of your life comes down to your level of leadership. It is the most important skill any human can master. A true leader inspires themselves and others to do, be, give, and become more than they ever thought possible. Pendulum's Inspired Leadership Program is unlike any other leadership training program. It teaches you skills from the best of the best in authentic leadership, emotional intelligence, communications, persuasion, motivational coaching, and more. Over 8 modules, you will create an identity for yourself as a leader, someone who can help anyone no matter what their challenges may be. If you are committed to connecting, contributing, and growing as an enlightened leader, Pendulum's Inspired Leadership Program will give you the diverse skills and insights you need to change lives. The goal of this leadership program is to teach you the skills of effective communication, deep-seated connection, persuasion, and empowerment, so you can impact your own life and the lives of others.